I bring you a cool trick one more time. Listen, if you have trouble reading fine print, you'll do better to zoom in your web page. So how to do this? If you are using Microsoft Edge, click here. Go to zoom, click plus to zoom in, and click minus to zoom out. You can also use the shortcut Control and plus key to zoom in, and Control plus 0 to reset. So if you use Google Chrome, click here, go to zoom, click zoom in, click on plus key to zoom in, and click on plus minus to zoom out. So you can also use the shortcut Control and plus key and plus to zoom in, and Control plus 0 to reset. So if you like this video, like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.